Welcome to the newsletter for September and to our director's update. I wanted to talk to you about the Post-Harvest Center. A lot of people ask us, what is a center? Is it a place? Is it a group of people? So I wanted to give you some background, and Irwin will help me with that. The center historically has been made out of multiple faculty that do research and extension in post-harvest. Most of the faculty were here at UC Davis and also at the UC system. However, things are changing.
So what we're working on now is to expand our network, and this includes multiple people. One, industry experts, academics, and extension personnel from all around the world and the United States. This is with the objective of offering science-based, unbiased information to the industry and other experts in the field of post-harvest.
The first steps that we're doing to accomplish this is to establish our own research team for the Post-Harvest Center. And the first member of our team, we would like to introduce him, is Noah Kulchin, and he will talk a little bit about himself.
Hi everyone, I'm Noah Kulchin, the new junior specialist at the UC Davis Postharvest Research and Extension Center. I grew up on a small family farm in Northern California, and that helped me to develop a deep connection to agriculture early on. This eventually led me to pursue a degree in plant biology at UC Davis. During my time as an undergraduate, I worked with the UC Davis Strawberry Breeding and Research Program, which solidified my interest in researching how to improve the quality and safety of the foods we eat. As a new member of the UC Davis Postharvest Research and Extension Center, my goal is to help expand our research efforts and networks so we can take on new projects and collaborations that will contribute to the advancement of post-harvest science. I'm eager to help drive our organization forward and be part of reinvigorating the center for future research, education, and outreach. With that said, I'll hand it back to our directors, Barbara and Irwin, to share more about what we have in store. Thanks for listening.
As you heard from Noah, we are really excited to start doing research with you, so approach us if you have any plans on doing some science with our team. The second thing that we are working on is to strengthen our relationship with the post-harvest facilities at UC Davis. And this has been key because having a physical space for us and our network to do research is critical to achieve this goal of becoming a hub. So our person in contact is Adrian Sbodio, who is the manager of the facilities, and he will be introducing himself in the network section that you will see below in this newsletter. So you can learn about him and also the facilities.
And we also wanted to take this opportunity to thank all of you. As part of creating this research hub in post-harvest, we are offering some of our courses for free. We used the Emerging Technologies Workshop as a model, and we saw a significant increase in the traffic to our YouTube channel. So we wanted to, again, take this opportunity to thank all of you for working with us and continuing to make us what we are.
Thank you, and please keep in touch.